Today is May 28th, it's 10 o'clock in the morning, and this is Button. Button's the oldest of the babies now. He's 8 years old, and he's coming into his full winter rack. Well, he's starting there. Right now it's only about maybe a foot high, and about 18 inches in between them. Eventually he'll be about 2.5, 3 feet high. Should be 8 point. He'll go about 100, well, probably about 250, 300 pounds when he's finally full grown for winter. And the winter rut. He's a big dude. Come on, Button. Come here. Come on. Raised Button for 8 years now. I'll sit down here on the porch and get him to come over here. Come on, Button. Come on. Well, come here. Oh, you're looking pretty. Yeah, you're a big boy. Where's all your pals this morning? Well, come here. Button. Come here. Button. Hey. Why are you ignoring me? Button. What has your attention, Button? Oh, okay. Hey, Cup. Come on. Come on, Cup.
I'm sorry.
Come here, Cup. Come on. Come on, Cup. Come on. Come on, Cup. Come on, Button. Come on. Come on, Button. Oh, wait a second, but come on, Cup. Wait a second. I'll walk up with you. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Well, come on, Cup. It's okay. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, son. Come on. Come on. Come on, Cup. Come on, Button. Come on, guys. Come on. Hey, Cup. That's my boy. Huh? You gonna come here? Come here. Come on, Cup. Come on. Nope. You gonna come here? Come on. Come on, Cup. Or you gonna eat the apples? Okay. Button, you coming? Come on, Button. Button. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Come on, Button. Come on. Well, come on. Button. Come on. Okay. Hey, Cup. Okay, it looks like the batteries are going dead. Well, I'm going to go inside. I got to change the batteries. Okay? I got to change the batteries. You stay there, it's okay. And go change the batteries. Come on, Button. Come on up and eat too. You gonna let me say hi? Come on. Come here, Button. Cup, come on. Come on.